My people, what I'm gonna do today is a whole different cook, and you're not prepared for it, but it's a biscuit test, something you should do on every single grill you own. So that's our very first cook. Anyhow, stay tuned, watch it, and it's interesting for sure. Plus, hey, biscuits. All right, guys, I did get a board from Haley home, link down below. I didn't think they'd be able to do my logo. It's an 18 by 24 board, and it is like insanely thick and super high quality. Do go check them out. Oh yeah. Yes, it's biscuits. That's what we're doing, a biscuit test. This is the first thing you want to do on your grill. Biscuits. Pop. Alright, pro tip. We turn this on. I've got one through the potato. Works like a charm. So that's the one from the Oklahoma Joe's. I've got 1, 2, 3 from the Ink Bird. So our Ink Bird is reading a little bit hot. 225 set. Go ahead and throw her on. No probe on the second side. 84 on this top side. Once again, from the Ink Bird, we have 1, 2, and 3. All right, well, it's gonna be an interesting one. This is the biscuit test. Not exactly a grand cook, but something you should do on every single grill. Take time to find out the hot spots and cold spots. So let's get started. So for the smokestacks, they actually do need, like, that sleeve needs to go underneath. See where it was here. Goes underneath, fits in like a charm. Thank you, my savvy viewers. All right, we're starting to hit temp. Actually bumped it up to 250. I find the bottom grates run quite a bit hotter, so about 50 degrees hotter. But the temp's coming up and the smoke's rolling. As we're climbing to 250 on the main temperature gauge, the probe on the second grill is reading about 287. So we're pretty much cranking hot. All right, no joke, this thing is cracking hot. Let's put on our biscuits, see what we got. Internal temperatures are all over the map. Let's go ahead and throw these in bit by bit. We have plenty of biscuits, and we're running about 250. All right, people, I'll be honest with you, like, I spread them out as much as I possibly could. So we'll check back in about 10, 15 minutes. It is blazing hot in there. It's blazing hot. Let's close her down. Hey, almighty fine people. So what we're doing right now is, like, the grill temps are spiking up like crazy down. I got it set to 250, and we're looking about like 400 or so, like, in the bottom grate. A little bit hotter in the top grate. And about 295 from their probe. So at 254, 299 to 300 on their probe. All right, people. I'm gonna go ahead and call this. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what we got. Not quite as hot here at all. So obviously everything's centered around the heat pot, which running smoke and smoke fire. So yeah, got me on that one. Here's what we got. Not much on the left hand side, insanely hot in the middle. Even on the top you see the same thing. And then same thing on the right hand side, not insanely hot. But that middle, especially the left middle, is crazy hot. So take it for what it's worth. Not a scientific experiment, but it does give you some idea of like how it functions. Believe me, this thing is like cracking heat. Hey y'all. So what I'm saying is like it's a pretty cool grill. You got to be aware of the temperatures and see what you're doing. And one of the first things you want to do on a grill ever is actually do that biscuit test, because it does give you the hot spots and everything else. So if you don't have a thermometer gauge or 4 thermometers or 5 probes or anything else, knock yourself out, do the biscuit test. Save yourself every single time to try to figure out that grill. Anyways, pickles up. Love y'all. My people. My people. So today we're doing something completely different. We're doing a biscuit test. So this is our very first cook. This is the one you want to do on like every single cooker you own. Like when you first get it. Mmm.